Good morning.
Yeah, this is a bunch of people.
You can sit like right here.
This is a big place.
Let's get started. I'm just going to give you an overview first of who the Governor's Council on Physical Activity and Health is. And really, we as the Governor's Council on Physical Activity stand at about 21 members. And the members consist of physical education, the State Department of Education, Division of Public Health Services, businesses industry, senior citizen industry. We have a lot with the medical profession, youth organization, physical education, rec and park. So we pretty much cover the gamut of New Hampshire. The Governor's Council on Physical Activity really is you. And I want to say that only because we all sit, from myself, I sit on the New Hampshire Local Government Center. I work with the New Hampshire Local Government Center, which is a non-profit organization that does medical insurance and things like that, as well as we have some that work on the YMCA. We have teachers that sit on the council. So we cover the gamut of New Hampshire, and our real goal is to make people healthier and to do things like this, and to come see the healthy schools, the New Hampshire healthy schools, because this is important to what we do. We've been around since 1991. Governor Judd Gregg really started the New Hampshire's Governor's Council on Physical Activity and Health. And it's really been continued since then. It's changed in a lot of years. I've only been there for 3 years, but in the 3 years that I've been there, really our names come out quite a bit, and we've done a lot of great things. We do have a website. Feel free to look at that website because we have some up-and-coming, I believe we have some up-and-coming great activities and programs and services out there. Our mission, I'll just read it to you. The mission of the organization is to promote healthy lifestyles for all New Hampshire residents, with a special emphasis on children and youth, by working in cooperation with schools and medical communities, businesses, government, and other public and private sector organizations and agencies with the interest in physical activity, fitness, and health. And as I've already said, we really cover the physical activity and health. There's a lot of things going on in New Hampshire that have to do with physical activity and health. It's not just the Governor's Council on Physical Activity and Health that does stuff. We are in collaboration with American Heart Association. Myself, I work with them pretty close. Everyone on the council works in some way or another doing physical activity and health in New Hampshire. And the more that you all can do, the better off you are. And we all get a chance to, and I'll kind of go through the awards now. The purpose of what the award, the Outstanding Achievement Award is we give the application, and then applicants come into us, and as a group, we look at these awards. And we read down through the application, and we find the individuals that really stand out. And being in the business I'm in, I work with a lot of teachers, and I work with a lot of towns with no money and not much recognition, and programs with not much recognition. And this is a way to recognize folks that won't get the recognition unless someone puts out an application and let it be known that this is a great program, or this is a great individual person who does their job plus. So this is what we're recognizing today. And the categories that we look at when we do these applications are, the first one is senior organizations or individuals, work sites or employers, disability-related organizations and or individuals, youth-related organizations and or individuals, community-related organizations and or individuals, business-related organizations or individuals, school districts and or individual schools. So we have a lot of categories. There were only 4. We'd like to see more in the future because we did have to go through and weed up with what was good, what we didn't figure was award worthy. But I think what we've got today is some special people, some special programs, and I know everyone on the council appreciates you all coming and being a part of this. Okay, lastly, for the last award, we're going to be recognizing Club Chameleon, the Newmarket Recreation Department. Club Chameleon is Newmarket, New Hampshire's answer to the teen wilderness awareness, physical fitness, and overall health. The club's mission is to provide an all-inclusive environment for teens ages 10 to 16 years with experience outside of their surroundings. The club's philosophy is a focus on outdoor wilderness trips in addition to community service and social events that will foster personal growth and self-worth by providing opportunities to interact with positive role models. Club Chameleon is a nonprofit outdoor adventure club that was developed and staffed in association with the Newmarket Recreation Department. The program's financial support success is due to a team effort including the annual solicitation of donations, cooperative sponsorships, grants, and the continued fundraising efforts of the Chameleon staff and teams. Club Chameleon has promoted physical activity and healthy lifestyles through as many as 39 outdoor adventure trips. Some of these trips include snowshoeing, rock climbing, hiking, horseback riding, ropes courses, whitewater rafting, cross-country skiing, and much, much more. Now, I looked at this program, and there is so much that this club has done, and it's a great thing, just like all the rest of them, the individual as well as the wellness committees. And this just goes to show there's a lot going on in New Hampshire that a lot of us don't know about and need to know more about. There's a lot of physical activity, a lot of fitness, a lot of health, and it's a great thing to see. The New Hampshire's Governor's Council on Physical Activity and Health, on behalf of Governor John Lynch, is pleased to award the following program with an Outstanding Achievement Award. Club Chameleon, Newmarket Recreation.
And you get extra food.
Would you like to say something? Who's the spokesperson? Absolutely.
I'd like to say thank you on behalf of myself and all the other 200 Club Chameleon kids who are here today, and to say that this is a home away from home with a great support system, and it gets us out and able to do all the things that nobody would ever be able to try without it.
Great. Now that concludes our ceremony today. I appreciate you all for coming, for all the applications. I hope to see the applications again next year because it's a wonderful thing that you're all doing out there, and keep it up. Keep it up. Thank you all very much.
This is there, yeah, what is it? Oh my word, Daniel. Do I know anybody else here? You guys all get How are you? You look great. Tell them all my spot.
Yeah, you need to turn around, Alice. Alex.
Sorry, Scott.
Do that again.
Yeah, bro. Goodbye. Bye.